The Corsair RM850x Shift is a powerhouse of a power supply, offering an impressive array of features and performance that will elevate your PC build to new heights. With its 80+ gold certification, you can expect efficient power delivery and reduced energy costs, making it an eco-friendly choice. The ATX 3.0 standard ensures compatibility with the latest motherboards, while PCIe 5.0 support future-proofs your build for the next generation of high-performance graphics cards. One of the standout features is the 0 RPM fan mode, which keeps the fan stopped during low-load operations, resulting in virtually silent operation. This is a game-changer for those seeking a quiet computing experience, especially in a home office or media room setup. The fully modular design not only simplifies cable management, making your build look neat and tidy, but it also improves airflow and reduces clutter inside your case. The side interface is a unique and innovative addition, offering easy access to power cables without the need to open your PC case. This feature is a real-time saver when making quick adjustments or troubleshooting, and it adds a level of convenience that's hard to find in other power supplies. Performance-wise, the RM850x Shift delivers stable and reliable power output, ensuring your components receive the energy they need without any fluctuations. The power supply's durability is also top-notch, with high-quality components and a robust design that ensures a long lifespan. In terms of build quality, Corsair has delivered an exceptional product. The power supply feels solid and well-constructed, with a sleek black finish that adds a touch of elegance to your PC build. The included cables are also of high quality, ensuring reliable connections and easy management. Overall, the Corsair RM850x Shift is an exceptional power supply that offers a perfect blend of performance, efficiency, and convenience. It's an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable and future-proof power solution for their PC, whether you're a gamer, content creator, or power user. With its impressive features and top-notch build quality, this power supply is a true upgrade for any PC build.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.